For us, the Western Front isn't just something we walk across. Sometimes to understand it, you have to see it from above. We've used drones to document cemeteries, memorials, battlefields and landscapes across the Western Front. But flying a drone here isn't simply a case of taking off and getting a great shot. Our first ever Western Front drone flight, summer 2023, filmed in perfect conditions above the Hawthorne Ridge, the site of the famous mine explosion on the 1st of July 1916. The footage reveals the ground and its scars from above. We returned in autumn 2024 to film it again, showing how the seasons transform this historic battlefield, adding another layer to the story of the Somme. Flying low along the sunken lane, following the path at the same level the soldiers would have seen it over a century ago. The ground remains, but the men are gone, and our drone captures this historic view. We use action cameras and photographs to capture the Western Front at ground level, but adding drone footage gives us another perspective. From above, we can show cemetery layouts, battlefield geography, distances, woods, visible trench systems, memorials, roads and ridgelines, helping connect these places to the objectives and events that shape the battlefield. All of this next section shows how we use the drone across the Western Front, from Bedford House and Lissenbroek in the Ypres Salient to Courcelette, Bacourt, Sheffield Park and the Powers Memorial, then across the Somme from the open battlefield to the bleak woods of Delville Wood in early spring. Each location revealing another perspective of this historic ground.